Composite insulator. It is a common power fitting in life, usually installed on one end of the high-voltage wire connection tower. It is usually in the shape of a disc insulator. Its main function is to prevent dust and other impurities attaching to the insulator surface to form a path. It is punctured by the voltage at both ends of the insulator, so increasing the surface distance, called creepage distance. The distance and leakage distance of discharge along the surface is called creepage distance. Composite insulators in overhead transmission lines play two basic roles, which supports the conductor and prevents current return. Its tensile strength is greater than or equal to 147 kilonewtons. Its torque resistance is better than traditional ceramic insulators, after aging resistance tests, and adapt to harsh climate environments. Its advantages include small size, easy to maintain, light in weight, easy to install, high mechanical strength. It is not easy to break, has excellent seismic performance compared with traditional ceramic insulators. The advantages of composite insulators are outstanding. It can save a lot of manpower, labor, materials, and financial resources. Due to its high bending strength, it can prevent the sudden connection and fracture accidents. Welcome to watch this product introduction. See you next time.